siren sounding an undersea earthquake measuring 8.7 on the Richter scale struck the east coast of Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula early on the morning of July 30th, 2025. In Japan, waves recorded. Many places measured 30 to 40 centimeters, some higher, highest about 1.3 meters at Kuji Port, Iwate. The Japan Meteorological Agency, JMA, issued a tsunami warning advisory along the Pacific coast, from Hokkaido down to Wakayama, urging people to leave shorelines, dikes, and river mouths. The Japanese government evacuated nearly 2 million people living along the Pacific coast and Hokkaido and evacuated about 4,000 workers at the Fukushima plant to prevent nuclear risks. At the same time, the ground shook continuously for about 3 minutes in the Kamchatka region of Russia when doctors bravely continued to perform surgery. Four large whales appeared to wash ashore in Tateyama, Chiba Prefecture, on the day Japan issued a tsunami warning after the Kamchatka earthquake. Showed hundreds of panicked stellar seals running to higher ground as the tsunami approached. A kindergarten suffered minor damage. Several people were injured. Facilities in the Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky were shaken strongly. Walls cracked, ceilings collapsed in some buildings, and mobile phone signals were lost. Although the earthquake was very strong, the displacement did not cause major landslides on the seabed, so the waves generated were less intense than those of the 2011 or 2004 megathrusts. The population density in the directly affected area was low, and early warning systems plus evacuation procedures effectively protected the population. In Japan, the waves caused coastal flooding, ranging from 0.2 meters to 1.3 meters, depending on the region, up to approximately 1.5 meters in some areas. Mie Prefecture recorded one indirect fatality, a woman who was killed while evacuating in panic or haste. About 10 others suffered minor injuries. Mie Prefecture recorded one indirect fatality, a woman who was killed while evacuating in panic or haste. About 10 others suffered minor injuries. If you find the video interesting, please give What a Incredible Moments a like and subscribe.